Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a header row and add a header row in Apple number sheet. Open your Apple number sheet. Now select your serial number row and select right button, and here you will find this convert to header row and select it and see this. This row already converted to header row. Now you cannot move it and see this other row move. You cannot move this header row. Also click right button. You can add header row below or above and see this. These two rows make header row. Also showing here header row. You can make it 0 and remove header row and see this. Here I will make this first row header and see this. This row make header. Also I will make this one header and select second row, and above two rows already make header, and I will choose 3 and see this. Above 3 rows are now header. I can move these 3 rows anywhere, only you can move these rows. I will make first one only header and I will delete this one. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.